Life has come to its operation on this blue planet by 4 principles, I believe. I call them as the 4 quadrants of life, or I would call them as bioQuad. For life to perform, you need to have energy. Energy is the quintessential component for life to process and perform work, and that is the bioredox component, one of the first quadrants. And the second quadrant is bioreplenishment. On this planet, there are specific elements, specific chemicals, specific minerals that have to be processed and incorporated into the body. So there are mechanisms that have been evolved in the body, whether it is a bird or a butterfly or a human being, to acquire, to procure, to process, and to put them at the right places in the body. That is the bioreplenishment part. And the third one is biorhythm. There is always a particular speed all these components have to perform. For example, your heart will beat faster if you run. Your breathing goes up when you are excited. And this rhythm also has to be compensated with your bioreplenishment and the energy. So biorhythm is the ability of a living system how to process the speed and recycle your energy and your bioreplenishment. And the fourth and the final quadrant is the bioformat, that is the genetic blueprint. The space that a life operates is called the body, and the bodies are different for different species. The body, when it has to perform in the symphony of life, there are 3 aspects. Number 1 is it has to conform to a specific design. And then as we are growing, as we are evolving, this body conforms and reforms to your genetic design. Whenever there is any extreme conditions, your body also deforms. And the deformation is also a process that defines health and disease. Disease or aging is a process of deformation. So these 3 components, conform, reform, and deform, would make the 4th quadrant, that is the bioformat, which is regulated by the genetic code. To summarize, the 4 quadrants of the bioQuad theory is number 1, bioredox, which deals with energy transfers. The second quadrant is bioreplenishment, which deals with the internal homeostasis, the internal balance management. And the third one is the biorhythm, the speed, the recycling, and adjusting the human body to a particular rhythm is very, very important, which is the third quadrant. And the fourth quadrant is bioformat, the conformation, the space where life performs. This is what bioQuad theory is all about.